Hi everyone, it's Katie. I hope you had all wonderful and magical holidays. I wish you all happy and healthy New Year 2020. May all your wishes come true. I have for you fun and easy gingerbread cookies recipe for today, which you can create not only for holidays, but whole year around. This dough is perfect to create shape of people, animals, or just about anything you want to make. Let's start by measuring all the ingredients. In a large bowl, sieve together dry ingredients, which is 2 different flours, all the wonderful spices, cocoa powder, baking soda, and we can't forget about sugar, and for this recipe, I'm using powdered sugar. Add organic raw honey, and melted butter. And now, with the mixer at slow speed, mix all the ingredients. Then pour gradually eggs and keep mixing to form sticky dough, just like that. Transfer dough into a lightly floured board and keep kneading for a few minutes. You can always add more flour as needed. Your dough is ready when it's soft and clean to a touch. And now we have the fun part. Cut the dough in half and sprinkle flour into a clean flat surface and roll out the dough, just like that. You may add more flour as needed. Here I have approximately 1.5 inch thick. You can always make them thinner or thicker. And now cut out shapes using your favorite cookie cutters. Carefully place them into the baking trays lined with parchment paper. I think to make homemade cookies is so much fun, especially for our little helpers. And of course, we are creating our own sweet homemade delight. Repeat with the rest of the dough and bake your cookies in preheated oven at 355 degrees for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. I can promise you your house will smell amazing with all the spices and cinnamon. While the rest of the cookies are being baked, make your icing. For 1 egg white, you need 1 1/3 cup of powdered sugar. To flavor the icing, add fresh lemon or orange juice and whisk all together. The consistency of the icing is very important while you're decorating your cookies. Make sure the icing is not too loose. If it is, you can always add more powdered sugar. Or if it's too thick, add a small amount of lemon juice and mix. And this looks perfect. It's not too thick, but still able to flow. Use piping bag, cut small end and decorate all the cookies. You just want to make sure your cookies are not too hot, otherwise icing wouldn't hold. If the icing seems very complicated for you to make, you can always purchase ready one, which comes in so many colors. With this last step, enjoy decorating and creating fun design on your cookies. Once the icing nicely sets, you can store cookies in a container for up to 3 weeks. After this time, they will more soften. Your kids will love to eat them with hot chocolate, which you can create more festive by adding whipped cream on top, marshmallows, and sprinkling with cocoa or cinnamon powder. I hope you all enjoyed this fun and easy recipe. If you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. This way you won't miss my next recipe. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye!